What if a single sentence could become an entire movie with cinematic story? Considers character, dialogue, camera movement, sound effect, and background music. Well, that is exactly what I create using Flow AI. A simple sentence enter on story idea, and this is AI transform it into a complete cinematic short film without expensive camera, actors, and complicated editing. In this video, I will show you complete process step by step, so you can create your own AI short film just a single sentence. Let's go computer skill and I will show you step by step.
First of all, go to Google and search the ChatGPT, and this is the ChatGPT interface. Paste a single command in a ChatGPT. Give me a 1-minute master prompt for an English short film targeting USA audience. There are the hero and heroine will be main character in this video depending on theme. It will be 1-minute short film. Okay, just enter here ChatGPT, write a entire master prompt and hero and heroine character prompt. Then use your master prompt and generation our 1-sentence short film. So first of all, it is our character prompt, hero prompt and heroine prompt. It is our master prompt for video generation purpose. So first of all, copy this hero character prompt and go to Flow AI. Just Google and search Flow AI and click here. It is our Flow AI interface and create a project. Then go to character section and create a character. So paste our character prompt hero and enter here. Wait some time and generation our character. Then enter untitled character. So select one title, it is hero, and select Lotus voice here. Just play and listening this voice. It is our this voice.
Hi there. We're in
Okay, this voice is good, and add this prompt. It is our hero and our character. Just done. Now create our first character hero. It is our first character. Look here, this character, and go to ChatGPT and copy our second character for heroine character. Go to Flow and again character section and create a character and paste our character prompt. It is our heroine character prompt and untitled character. Click here and change the character name heroine and select a voice for heroine character. So female voice, male voice, male voice, male voice, male voice. It is our female voice and play here.
Hi there.
For
We're
preview
introducing a
purpose.
new.
Okay, it is good. So add character. Now I generate heroine character and hero character. Then I use 2 character for our short film. It is our heroine character. Look like is a realistic, right? So done. It is our hero and heroine. Now just drag our timeline, hero and heroine character, and go to ChatGPT, copy our master prompt and paste here, and also paste our scene. Okay, just copy our first scene, paste here, and copy our second scene. Copy first scene and paste our prompt here. So AJ first scene, okay, and copy second scene, and copy the whole prompt and go to again ChatGPT, third scene and paste here, and copy full prompt and paste here, and again copy this and again, and repeat it all scene, same style. Okay, done. Just enter Flow agent model work our full short film in a single command. Just wait some time and this Flow agent create our all scene in a single command. Now Flow agent asks me, I will go to generate the 6 cinematic video clip for short film, the last train home. Our short film name, and I approve, not asked again. Just approve this. Now Flow agent create our video short film, generate our video all scene here 1 2 3 4 5 6 scene. So just wait a minute and see our all scene is ready for short format.
no more unsent messages.
No more running away.
Good, this is the good. Our all scene is ready. Then just download this scene. Just download this scene 1 and our second scene here. Download.
Emily, are you really leaving?
Now download our all scene and go to CapCut and input our all video clip. Now adjust one by one all video clip. Now our short film is ready and play the all short film. Add some transition for video, mix transition or video more mixing. So add our transition and see a Gemini logo and go to sticker section and select a simple sticker for our logo add this sticker. Okay. Hide the logo. Simply. Okay. Otherwise, you can add your YouTube logo or Facebook logo. Now add a simple background sound, sad background sound. Okay. Now again ask a question, ChatGPT, write me a sad background sound for this video. So now ChatGPT write a background sound prompt for this video and copy this prompt and go to Gemini AI and create a background sound music for this video. So copy this prompt and go to Gemini AI and paste our background sound prompt and click the plus icon and select the create a music and hit generated. Now Gemini AI create a cinematic sad background sound and copy this video and adjust our video layer. So this sound no issue copyright and copyright claim and others license, so totally free. Gemini AI create a background sound for this video and click the download option and click the audio and download and go to CapCut and paste here and see our video.
Emily, are you really leaving?
There's nothing left for me here.
I wrote to you every night. I was just too afraid to press send.
You always send. You always waited too long. Final boarding call.
If you leave, I'll understand. But I still love you.
So now our video is good. I add more some filter for this video, looking more realistic, more cinematic. So add our color writing. It's looking more realistic and more cinematic. Our logo here. Looking our final video is more realistic and more cinematic, and this video quality more engaging. So just export here. Now I hope you are understand how can create the single command of sentence create a short film like this and using Flow AI, totally free or paid. I hope you understand. You can please comment your next topic you are interested for me. Please comment here. Thank you and see you next video.